From seed, soil, science, and secrecy to a simple glass at your table. That's the hidden journey behind every bottle of modern apple juice.
Before apple juice reaches your table, its journey begins here, in orchards where nature and agriculture work in perfect rhythm.
Every apple is selected based on ripeness, sweetness, and perfect condition, and nothing less makes it into production.
Every movement is engineered to prevent bruising, because bruising affects taste, clarity, and final product quality.
Cooling slows oxidation and biochemical activity, ensuring the apples arrive as fresh as the moment they were picked. This is where harvesting ends and industrial precision begins, inside a state-of-the-art beverage manufacturing plant. Upon arrival, apples go through mechanical unloading, designed to minimize contact and contamination.
AI vision systems analyze shape, color, and skin integrity to guarantee only premium fruit moves forward.
Floating in water allows gentle movement while removing dirt, leaves, and debris without damaging the fruit.
This advanced washing process removes pesticides and microorganisms, meeting strict global food safety standards.
Before cutting or pressing, apples must be completely dry. Moisture can dilute the juice and affect machinery.
Precision slicing increases surface area and allows more efficient juice extraction in later stages. With the fruit perfectly prepared, the next stage begins, transforming whole apples into the base material that will become pure, fresh apple juice.
Now the apples enter phase 2, where raw fruit transforms into pure extract.
These razor-sharp industrial blades shred apples within seconds, ensuring every gram becomes usable pulp for extraction.
This stage is all about pressure, controlled force that releases fresh juice without losing flavor or nutrients. With tons of applied pressure, the mash gives up its liquid gold, raw apple juice. Filtration begins immediately. The goal is clarity, while keeping authentic orchard taste.
Even with automation, expert engineers ensure every second of pressing remains under strict quality control.
This is the first expression prep rate. Untouched juice with natural enzymes, sugar balance, and acidity.
Oxygen briefly reacts with the juice, enhancing aroma, before the next filtration seals in freshness.
Centrifugal force does what manual filtering never could, separating even microscopic solids at high speed. From here, the juice travels through sterile closed-loop pipes, ensuring it never touches outside air again.
Color tells a story, please. Too dark means oxidation, too light means lack of concentration. Balance is everything.
Taste is no longer judged by guesswork. Advanced sensors analyze sweetness, acidity, and tannins in real time.
But technology alone isn't enough, Obey. Trained tasters confirm the juice still feels natural, fruity, and authentic.
Temperature stabilization begins immediately. Chilling prevents spoilage and locks in flavor.
After extraction and refinement, the juice rests, ready for pasteurization, bottling, and worldwide distribution.
Once extracted, the raw apple juice enters the filtration phase, removing pulp and impurities while preserving natural flavor.
Multiple micron filters refine the texture, ensuring every bottle feels smooth, clean, and premium.
Human expertise meets automation. Trained specialists ensure clarity, aroma, and natural apple color remain perfect.
Centrifugal force separates microscopic sediments, creating a crystal-clear final liquid ready for the next step.
Once clean, the juice is transferred into sterile tanks, waiting for the crucial phase, safe pasteurization.
Pasteurization protects consumers by heating the juice just enough to destroy harmful bacteria, without sacrificing natural taste.
The juice flows through heated tubes in seconds, a process engineered to preserve vitamins, aroma, and freshness.
Quality teams continuously verify color stability and nutritional retention to ensure every batch maintains the true flavor of the orchard. Even the smallest reaction is observed. Oxygen levels, foam behavior, and viscosity help define the signature texture of premium apple juice.
Optical laser scanners detect cloudiness at microscopic levels,
ensuring the clarity consumers expect from high-quality juice.
Taste and aroma panels still matter. Even in a billion-dollar industry, human senses guide perfection.
Only after passing dozens of checkpoints is a batch cleared for bottling, and every mistake, no matter how small, means the process resets. Before bottling begins, the final juice rests in sterile, temperature-controlled environments to maintain peak flavor chemistry.
Precision oxygen control prevents oxidation, preserving bright color and natural sweetness for months without artificial preservatives.
After filtering and pasteurization, the juice is now stable, safe, and ready for mass bottling.
Now comes the most visually satisfying stage, bottling, where precision meets high-speed automation. Before any filling happens, bottles must be sterilized to meet strict food safety standards.
This high-tech filler pump measures exact volume down to a fraction of a milliliter.
Every bottle gets the same consistent taste and clarity using advanced flow control systems. To extend shelf life naturally, bottles pass through controlled heat treatment without preservatives.
Next, labeling, where each bottle transforms from product into a recognizable brand.
These rollers guarantee labels stay flat, smooth, and waterproof under refrigeration or shipping.
Every product is traceable with batch IDs, so the factory knows exactly when and where it was produced.
With labeling complete, the bottles now move toward packaging, where they're prepared for transport.
Robotics ensures precision stacking without damaging the bottles or labels.
Shrink wrapping provides stability and makes handling easier for stores and consumers. This final stage marks the end of the packaging journey and the beginning of its path to customers around the world.
Temperature control becomes everything. Freshness can only survive when science protects flavor. Nothing moves until the ideal chill zone is confirmed. Too warm and spoilage begins. Too cold and bottles crack. Automation ensures no drop is wasted, and every bottle travels safely without human error.
Packaging isn't just protection, it's strategy. Every layer is engineered to fight heat, vibration, and time. Traceability is key. Every movement is recorded, every location monitored, every second counted.
Humidity keeps oxidation low and preserves flavor. And yes, even moisture science plays a role in taste.
Security isn't optional. Food safety laws require tamper-proof tracking until arrival.
No pauses. Transfers must be instant to avoid temperature spikes.
And finally, after thousands of controlled decisions, this bottle waits for someone to take it home.
Every batch of apple juice is tested before it ever reaches a bottle. We check Brix levels to measure sweetness and ensure consistency across every production run.
Microbial safety is non-negotiable. Yeast, mold, and bacteria testing happens multiple times.
pH balance is crucial. It affects flavor, freshness, and shelf stability, ensuring the juice stays safe during storage and transport.
This test simulates real-world transport stress, ensuring juice integrity across long-distance shipping.
Color variation tells a story. Too light means overfiltration. Too dark may indicate excessive oxidation.
Clarity and suspension tests confirm we achieved the perfect filtration without losing natural texture.
Every bottle can be traced from orchard to shelf with full transparency, a key requirement in modern food safety.
Thermal resistance tests confirm the juice remains safe and stable through fluctuating climates.
Batch archiving means every recipe variation is documented and stored for legal and quality traceability.
AI learning detects patterns faster than humans ever could.
To sell globally, the juice must pass stringent certification systems, meeting worldwide safety standards. Once all tests pass, the batch finally receives approval for packaging and shipment.
Quality isn't just step. It's a philosophy that protects flavor, safety, and reputation.
Now the apple juice reaches its final battlefield, retail shelves, where packaging, branding, and taste decide who wins the customer.
Consumers judge with their eyes first. Color, clarity, and premium glass versus plastic make all the difference.
For many families, apple juice isn't just a drink. It's a weekend ritual, a moment of comfort, a taste of childhood.
Once opened, the experience becomes personal. Temperature, texture, aroma, and freshness are now what matter. The clarity and golden hue reveal purity, well-filtered, fresh, balanced acidity, proof of precise processing at the factory. Apple juice adapts. Hydration for gym-goers, brain fuel for students, refreshing break for workers. Even outside the factory walls, the drink connects us to orchards, seasons, and the earth itself. Taste evolves with temperature. Colder equals sharper, refreshing acidity. Room temperature reveals sweetness and aroma from carefully selected apples.
Transparency builds trust. People want information, where the apples came from, how clean the process is, and what they're putting into their body.
Modern consumers don't just drink apple juice. They remix it into cocktails, smoothies, wellness shots, and culinary recipes. Today's quality isn't just tested in labs, it's tested online. Social proof is the new currency in the beverage world.
One product, many formats, each designed for a different lifestyle, budget, and consumption pattern.
Institutional buyers like schools and airlines push the industry to produce millions of standardized units with exact taste consistency.
Price matters. Every cent affects families and purchasing power, forcing companies to innovate efficiency without sacrificing flavor.
From orchard to home, this isn't just manufacturing. It's nourishment, memory, and connection.
Now we enter the part the public rarely sees. So, where claims, chemistry, and marketing collide.
Here, every batch is tested for sugar purity, pesticide traces, and flavor fingerprint, ensuring consistency even across thousands of apples.
These are prototype formulas, sweeter versions, organic-only blends, and international recipes adjusted for cultural taste profiles.
Modern juice production isn't just pressing apples. It's algorithm-driven taste engineering that predicts what consumers will love next.
But here's the twist. Marketing language isn't always purely factual. Cold-pressed may refer only to one stage, not the full journey. Some batches get micro-adjustments, not to fake flavor, but to restore natural taste lost during pasteurization and global shipping. Meanwhile, sustainability claims are carefully crafted. Real change costs money sets, but the marketing promise sells faster. Some factories truly invest: solar-powered processing, water recycling, and zero-waste peel repurposing.
One industry secret? Nothing is wasted. Apple skin becomes livestock feed, bakery fiber, even cosmetic exfoliants.
Global export means accountability. Government regulations, carbon tracking, and packaging compliance all must pass strict checks.
Here, the future is brewing. Probiotic juices, ultra-low sugar formulas. So next time you drink a bottle, remember, behind the simple apple juice are labs, science, regulation.
This is where factory precision meets everyday life. Fresh, simple, and part of morning routine.
For many, this isn't just a drink. It's a refuel, a natural burst of carbs, hydration, and crisp energy.
Parents love it for one reason. It feels safer to add. Juice carries the image of nature, not artificial formulas. From economy grocery shelves to five-star resorts, apple juice spans markets in a way few beverages do.
It's also a base for creativity. Mixologists rely on its consistent acidity and sweetness to balance flavor.
Some consumers seek authenticity. Small batch production promises purity, nostalgia, and a connection to origin.
In many households, it becomes the first flavor children identify: sweet, soft, and familiar.
Across cultures, apple juice adapts, whether called applesauce,
jugo de manzana, or apple juice, its identity remains universal.
The sensory appeal isn't accidental, says. Clarity, color, aroma, and smooth texture are
Today, buying juice isn't limited to aisles, Ward. Algorithms now recommend flavors based on age, location, and lifestyle.
Not all juices are equal then. Price reflects processing method, storage control, fruit source, and sugar concentration.
For some consumers, apple juice isn't a beverage, clean ed. It's nostalgia bottled.
Convenience packaging made apple juice travel-friendly. No preparation, no dilution, just grab and drink.
That's why apple juice remains timeless. Not because it's new, but because it adapts and stays relevant.
As climate pressures rise, apple farming gets harder, so the future depends on predictive analytics and resilient seed engineering.
One day, orchards may run themselves. No tractors, no seasonal labor, just AI, sensors, and sunlight powering